In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate your WordPress blog with n8n and AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a ready-made workflow, pick the right one, and bring it into your n8n cloud space so you can start building an AI-assisted publishing pipeline in minutes. Start by opening your n8n dashboard and heading to the Workflows area. This is your home base for everything you build in n8n. You'll see any existing automations here, along with options to browse, organize, and manage them. If you're in a team or cloud environment, this page will reflect the space you're currently working in, which helps keep your automations tidy and separate from other projects. From here, open the main menu to reveal more options. Depending on your layout, this might be a sidebar toggle or a menu icon. Opening it gives you access to the template library, which is where we'll find pre-built automations that save a lot of setup time. Select Templates. Think of templates as curated, working examples of automations that combine popular apps and actions. They're a great way to learn best practices, understand how nodes connect, and avoid building everything from scratch. The template gallery includes descriptions and tags so you can quickly judge whether a workflow fits your use case. Use the search bar and type Automate WordPress with AI. Spelling and capitalization aren't strict here, but keeping it close helps surface the most relevant results. You should see options that combine WordPress with AI tools, typically to draft or enhance content, generate summaries, or format posts. Click into a candidate to preview its description and node list. This quick review helps you confirm that the workflow aligns with your goals, such as creating posts, updating content, or enriching drafts with AI-generated text. When you've found the one you want, click Use. This tells n8n to take the template and prepare it for your environment. You'll usually see a brief confirmation or preview, along with any notes about connections the workflow expects, like WordPress credentials or AI providers. That's normal for templates that interact with external services. Finally, choose to import it into your cloud space. Importing adds the workflow to your selected space, so it's available to edit, test, and run under your cloud resources. After import, the workflow will appear in your Workflows list, ready for you to review the nodes, adjust settings, and connect accounts when you're ready. And that's it. You opened Workflows, access the menu, browse templates, search for Automate WordPress with AI, chose a template, and imported it into your cloud space, putting you one step away from an AI-powered WordPress automation.